There we go. Steph, how are you doing?
Awesome.
I'm
Day
coming
11.
to sit. Yeah, day 11.
Day 11 after the surgery.
Yeah, and what does it look like? Just
Like that.
Uh-huh.
At the back. It's
Look at
just
that.
shaven, but it's feeling like
Yeah.
it's growing already. Which
Yeah, so just the little hairs, like they get
Yeah.
pushed out.
Yes.
But it's along, the easy part's waiting.
Yeah.
So immediately afterwards,
Slight bruising that we had. There
Any-
was just a little
yeah.
bit of bruising here.
any swelling?
Light.
Right,
Very, very
okay.
light. That's cleared up within a day.
Yeah.
And then it was only a little bit of redness.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
The redness started going away, let's say 5 days in.
Okay,
And
excellent.
then after that, it was just the scabs
Right.
coming off.
Yeah.
The best
And
thing
pain
was
level?
no pain level. Zero out of 10, zero.
Really, yeah.
The scabs coming
Yeah.
coming off as soon as you start washing your hair.
Yes.
And just the wait to start washing it.
Yeah. I
That
know.
was
And that's that
feeling-
iffy part.
Yeah,
like,
that's just the 2 days
Yeah,
of
yeah.
actually waiting
Yeah.
for that to start.
Yeah.
And then after that, it was washing it twice a day. Taking
You,
the
you know, even somebody now, I showed them the process, and I go, "Oh my God, they look so painful," and it
looks-
does.
Yeah, it looks painful.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
11 days in, the stitches are still there.
Right? Yeah.
Taking it
Let's
out-
have a look. I mean, look at
taking it
this. You
out.
can't even see it.
Taking it out today.
You know, and people always they say, well, the FUE is the process to go. But I mean, you look at this.
Yeah.
Where can you see anything on the back and the sides?
I wanted to do the FEE myself.
yeah, I
you
know,
Remember?
yes.
And then it's like, no, it looks so painful.
Yeah.
And then at the end of the day, yeah, you just.
And
look
also
like it's
the negative side to the FUE is we have to shave off all the hair. Yeah, you've still got all your hair. You look like you
just
do.
a little bit of shaving here.
Yeah,
at the
yeah,
back, but,
exactly.
it's growing,
Yeah,
so the
yeah.
old hair will still
Yeah,
grow.
yeah, exactly.
And but the wait for the
Right.
shampoo.
And and now the big wait is waiting for the hair to start growing because it's going to take 3 to 4 months just to start. Even with me, I had mine done 4 months ago. I'm seeing very little.
Yeah.
And all my mates sort of joke with me and they say I must get a refund, but it's a long process.
Yeah.
It's a
we-
6 month to a year, sometimes
we
even a
thought
year
it's
and a
more
half.
like a 8 month to
Yeah,
a year and a half that
absolutely.
we're willing to wait. And even if I have to ever come back and do it again,
Yeah.
it was like a spa here. You remember I
Yeah,
told
yeah,
you,
yeah,
I
exactly.
will
You're
come back
relaxing.
gladly the next day.
Oh,
because
no,
the ladies
brilliant.
are awesome. Ladies are beautiful as well.
Yeah,
So thank you so much for everything.
No, great pleasure.